Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to our class. So, as what you can observe, we will be talking about the 8 parts of speech. So, there are 8 parts of speech in English language, such as the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These parts of speech indicates how the word function in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. This is why we sometimes ask ourselves why this word is placed before this word and why it is followed with this word. It's because of course of the part of the word in every sentences that we construct. And at the same time, there is this what we call pattern. It's because of course of we are following a certain set of rules which is called grammar. Okay, so let's proceed with the first part of the speech, which is the noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, thing, idea, or an event. Nouns are often used with an article, the, and an, but take note, not all the time. Nouns or proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Common nouns do not. The next part of the speech is the pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. A pronoun is usually substituted for a specific noun, which is called its antecedent. Pronouns are further defined by types. Personal pronouns refer to a specific person or things. Possessive pronouns indicate ownership. Reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize another noun or pronoun. Relative pronoun introduce a subordinate clause, and demonstrative pronouns identify, point to, or refer to nouns. So when writing a sentence, instead of writing the name of a girl, we can also substitute the word she or her instead of writing the real name of the girl. That's what we call pronoun. The next part of the speech is the verb. So the verb is in a sentence expresses action or being. There is a main verb and sometimes there are one or more helping verbs. And at the same time, a verb must agree with its subject in number. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. Verbs also take different forms to express tenses: past, present, and future tenses. Okay, the next one is adjective. An adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. It usually answers the question of which one, what kind, or how many. Meaning to say it modifies the subject or it gives definition or it describes the subject. The next one is an adverb that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Take note, it never modifies or describe a noun. It usually answers the question of when, where, how, why, under what condition, or to what degree. Adverbs often end with ly. And then get confused because sometimes adjective are considered to be adverb of many, but adverb is different from adjective. For example, if we will say soft, soft is an example of an adjective, and when you will be adding ly in the end, softly, it will become an adverb. So you have to differentiate the two when using any of which in a particular sentence. So I know that you are excited unfolding the next parts of the speech, but let us first have an exercise to evaluate your learning on the previous discussion that we had. Okay, so as what you can observe, there are 4 sentences on our screen. So let's practice the first sentences. Let us identify the noun in the sentence. Let me read to you the first sentence. The boy is dancing gracefully on the stage. So, what do you think is the noun in the sentence? Very good. That is boy. The boy here is the noun in the sentence. Now let's proceed with identifying the adverb in the sentence. Anybody? Yes, that's correct. Gracefully is the adverb in the sentence. Now, let us find out if what word represents the verb in the sentence. The boy is dancing gracefully on the stage. What do you think? Yes, that's right. It's dancing. Now let's proceed with the next sentence. They were so great. They here is an is a pronoun. And great here is an adjective. Okay, so I think we do not have enough time to discuss the remaining parts of speech. So we will be continuing the remaining parts of speech next meeting. Thank you, goodbye, everybody. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.